morning. So it's 10 to 2 now, and I am all packed and ready to head out, and I'm getting picked up now at 2 o'clock, ready to hike Mount Batur. It's 1,770 meters, so I'm really excited. Let's head out. We just had some breakfast here, and now we're continuing the ride towards the start of the hike. I've come to the start of the trek now, and I can say that I am not alone doing this hike. There are so many people here, and it's quite chilly, but we're going to start to hike now. As you can see here, the path is not the easiest. It's filled with big stones, and it's even harder when it's dark to navigate. We've got another 25 more minutes left, and it's quite a challenging hike, I would say. In the beginning it was very cold, but as we were starting to hike, you get very warm. So yeah, and it's amazing to see all of the lights going up the mountain. We've reached the top now. Mount Batur is 1,717 meters above sea level, and the hike took less than 2 hours to complete. So now we're just sitting waiting for the sun to come up, and definitely bring a pair of long pants, a warm jumper, good shoes, trainers or walking boots, and then water, because when you're waiting at the top it'll get quite chilly. This is actually an active volcano, and it had its last eruption in the year of 2000, and from the top here we have a view over Mount Batur. There you can see Lombok, and behind me is Mount Batur, and as you can see it looks like there's coming smoke from the top, but I hope that it's not going to be an eruption. So we've got some breakfast at the top, a banana sandwich, and the sun is starting to come out. The sun is starting to come up, and what's also good to know is that the first part of the path is big stones, and then the second part is like sand. We have started the hike down now, and it was not easy to get down. It was very slippery. Yeah, but hopefully it'll get easier now during the second part. I'm back now from hiking up Mount Batur. It was an amazing experience, and one recommendation is to book the tour either in Ubud or through your accommodation. I found that it was a lot cheaper to do that than booking online. Through my hotel, the tour cost 385,000 Indonesian rupiah. So that can be good to know if you're interested in doing the hike. Right now I'm packing up all my stuff and I'm going to order a Gojek, which is the Indonesian version of Uber, and I'm heading down to Sanur. So I hope that will turn out well. I'm sad to be leaving Ubud. It's so beautiful here and there's so much more to do and see, but I just don't have time to do everything. So that's one reason to come back. I've had an amazing time here, and especially the countryside, and yeah, it's just a really nice place to be. So I'll hopefully see you down in Sanur. It took a bit longer to get down to Sanur from Uber. There was a lot of traffic. So now I'm heading to the hotel. It's on a little street here, so the car can't get down. So I hope I'll find it. So I found this sign. So we'll see how this goes. So it seems that the host is on a wedding, but the key was in the door, and yeah, this place isn't as nice as the one in Ubud, but it was very cheap, so that's good. I'm going to head down to the beach now and try to book a day trip to Nusa Penida for tomorrow. So I have to do that soon, so it isn't too late. Wish me luck. I was really lucky there. I found a travel agency down at the harbor, and they offered me a great deal for a full day exploring Nusa Penida with everything included. Boat, tour around the island, lunch and everything for 800,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is the cheapest that I've come across. It's so late and I